Let's, Jason, let's go just like an inch forward, just tiny bit. Yes, sir. And then we're going to have you cross your hands up top. We're going to check that middle lower back here. Bring that chin down, buddy. Oh, nice. That's moving good. Little restriction when we come to your left there. And it's coming right out of that guy here. So we're just going to preset that tension. Chin go down, buddy. And then back with me right on that guy right down. One more coming here. There we go. Yes, sir.